That's a flow control lever, right? When you close it, the gear mechanism moves that inside there. So this right here is the needle, right? Now, as you can see here, it actually moves that part around on the inside. All of this here is the needle. Here, look. This is the spring from the spring over there, from the N1 asterisk. Do you see? This is the counterweight, right? This is the counterweight. This one opens and closes. Let me give it a turn here. It opens and closes, it moves. It's this one here. This one is the reference N1, this spring. It always works with the tension of the spring. Here, the pump. It's at the back of the pump. Then you turn it to the side. Then you turn it. Here, take yours. Now down here, see? This one is the N2 reference, this spring. So when you turn one, look, this one turns with N1, and this one turns with N2, see? Here, look. And this one is the counterweight. This is the reference spring. Got it? That piston over there, see that piston he showed over there? So there's something that comes, this one here, look, this one moves this here, look back and forth, it stops, see over there. This here, look, when it closes over there, it's this lever here, that lever he shows over there, right? And these here are those adjustments he mentioned, remember? Of N1 stops, the most you should adjust on this gearbox here, and right here is the thermal protector, and here, built-in thermal protector. And right over here,
I personally think
that here, to remove the P2 chamber, people do it wrong. Here, look, you need to remove these screws here. Look, when you remove them, the P2 chamber comes out completely. And inside here, the P2 chamber has a fitting. I'm looking right here in this specific area, but I'm having a really hard time finding exactly where the filter is supposed to be located. Could you please point out the precise spot where the filter is hidden, or let me know if I am looking in the completely wrong place altogether? Here's the fuel filter assembly right here. You will find several mounting screws located down at the bottom that need to be removed in order to get the unit out. And this here is the constant delta P valve. And right over here, you can see both the standard operating and the emergency valves. When you rotate this handle,
those passage ones.
This is inside here. So right here is the pump. The pump is located right here, isn't that right? The pump is here, right? This is the pump's relief valve, right? It's in line with the filter. Here is the relief valve.